Hey everyone, if you have been following the Adani's group stories, you know it's been one of the most talked about stories in Indian corporate history. And just when we thought the dust was settling, Hindenburg's Research has dropped another bombshell. This time, they are accusing none other than the chief of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Sebi, of having stakes in the offshore fund at the center of the Adani scandal. What's going on? Come on, let's dive in. On August 10, 2024, Hindenburg's Research released a report making startling claims against Madhabi Puri Buch, the current Sebi chairperson, and her husband Madhabi Buch. According to Hindenburg's, whistleblowers' documents indicate that the Buch had financial stakes in obscure offshore funds, which were allegedly used in the infamous Adani money siphoning scandal. These funds, based in Bermuda and Mauritius, were reportedly used by Binod Adani, Gautam Adani's brother, to inflate the stock price and funnel money through a complex web of offshore entities. Hindenburg alleged that these very same funds had connection to Buch and her husband, raising serious questions about potential conflicts of interest within Sebi. Let's break down what these offshore funds are and why they are significant. Hindenburg's reports claim that the Buch were involved with a multi-layer offshore fund structure, known for its high-risk jurisdiction and minimum transparency. These funds were reportedly overseen by a company tied to the Wirecard scandal, a name that's infamous in financial world. According to the documents, the Buch opened an account with the IPE Plus Fund 1 in Singapore back in 2015. This fund, despite its small size, is said to have played a crucial role in Adani's group financial maneuvers. Hindenburg suggests that Sebi's apparent reluctance to thoroughly investigate this offshore fund might be tied to a chairperson's own involvement. The fallout from this allegation has been swift. Political figures and opposition leaders were quick to react, accusing Sebi of regulatory capture. For instance, Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra labeled it clear case of conflict of interest, questioning Sebi's ability to act impartially. Even Shiv Sena's Priyanka Chaturvedi expressed her concerns, highlighting how several complaints to Sebi over the years have gone unanswered. This latest controversy has only deepened the distrust in the regulatory body, which is supposed to uphold the integrity of India's financial market. It's important to note that Sebi has been under scrutiny long before these new allegations. Following the initial Hindenburg's report in January 2023, the Supreme Court of India asked Sebi to conduct a thorough investigation into Adani's group activities. However, the apex court later remarked that Sebi's investigation hadn't uncovered any definitive answers regarding the funding of Adani's offshore shareholders. The question is, how will Sebi respond to these latest claims? Will there be a deeper probe, or will the controversy fade away as previous ones have? As of now, Sebi has not issued a public response to these explosive allegations. What happens next could have far-reaching implications for both Adani's group and credibility of India's financial regulators. We will keep you updated on latest developments, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Drop your thought in the comment below. Do you think this allegation will lead to any significant actions? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Signing off.